Hello kids, today we are moving on to chapter 5, information processing. In this chapter we are going to learning about to perceive the iterative process and patterns, to see Euclid's games as an iterative process, to learn to devise and follow algorithms, to learn the advantage of ordering information. Today we are going to see about the introduction of information processing. Okay. Everyday morning, waking up, brushing teeth, doing physical exercise, drinking milk, having bath, having breakfast, and then getting ready to school are some of the activities we do. Every day such activities happen, don't they? Do we see a pattern getting repeated? In our life, there are many such repeating patterns. In fact, eat, sleep, study, play is a pattern repeatedly daily, isn't it? When we go on doing same activities again and again, it gives rise to a new form. Okay. Activities explained above follow iterative processes. Hence, an iterative process is a procedure that is repeated many times, which gives rise to a new form. Okay, so iterative process is a procedure that is repeated many times, which gives rise to a new form. Okay, next we are move on to iterative process in numbers. So here we are going to learn about iterative process in numbers. The above iterative processes can be seen in our daily life. It can be seen in number sequence also. The numbers may increase or decrease following a pattern. Observe the following sequence and find the pattern that generates each one of them. So, taking one example, 1, 3, 5, 7. So, this is a sequence. Okay, this is sequence. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 7. The pattern which generate these numbers, this pattern generate these numbers. That is, so the pattern which generate these numbers, that is 1, comma, so 1 plus 2, and then 3 plus 2, okay, 3 plus 2, and then 5 plus 2, okay. So 1 plus 2, okay, 1 plus 2, again 3 plus 2, okay, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, this goes on. Okay, so this is the example of iterative process in numbers. Okay, in the same way, can you guess the next number is a special number sequence given below? That is 1 comma 2 3 5 8 13 21 34 and etc. So this is sequence, this special number of sequence. Okay, special number of sequence. So here in the same, can you guess the next number in the special number sequence? This is special number sequence. Here be in the next term. That is, so here the 21, 34, and then the next term is as it is 55. Okay, 55. You have got it by adding 21 and 34. Okay, 21 and 34. So here 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 13, 5 plus 8, 13, 8 plus 13, 21, 13 plus 21, 34. So, and then the next term is by adding 21 plus 34. 21 plus 34 we get 55. Okay, so here this is the 55 of numbers. The special pattern of numbers is called the Fibonacci sequence. Okay, Fibonacci. Okay, Fibonacci sequence. The special sequence 1 comma 2 3 5 8 13 21 34 and etc. This is a special sequence, special number sequence. So this special sequence is called the Fibonacci sequence. Okay, each term in the Fibonacci sequence, each term 1 1 2 3, each term in the Fibonacci sequence is called the Fibonacci number. Okay, Fibonacci number. Okay, and then the Lucas numbers. Okay, what's the Lucas numbers? Lucas numbers form a sequence of numbers like a Fibonacci numbers, okay, and they are closely related to the Fibonacci numbers. Instead of starting, Fibonacci number starts from 1 and 1, okay, 1 and 1. But in the Lucas, okay, Lucas number starts with 1 and 3, okay, 1 and 3. So the Lucas sequence is 1, 3. So 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 4, 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. 18 plus 11, that is 29, and etc. Okay. So in all the above pattern of numbers we can see in the iterative process. Okay. So in Fibonacci numbers starts from 1 and 1. Okay, 1 and 1. And then the Lucas number starts from 1 and 3. Okay. We can also begin the Fibonacci sequence with 0 and 1 instead of 1 and 1. So we get the answer is 0. Okay, instead of 0, adding with the 0, 0 comma 1 comma 1. So 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, 2 plus 1, 3. So this is a Fibonacci. This is also a Fibonacci sequence. Okay. Golden ratio is a special ratio. Okay, golden ratio. So consider the ratio of successive Fibonacci numbers. Okay, consider the sequence. Consider the ratio of successive Fibonacci numbers, that is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 equal to 1.5. Okay, 1.5, and 5 by 3. Okay, 5 by 3 we get 1.66, and 8 by 5. 8 by 5 we get 1.6. Okay. So it's etc. You can see the pattern getting closer. You can see the pattern. The pattern are also getting closer to the numbers 1.618. Okay, 1.618. Okay. So, and that is denoted by, this number is also denoted by pi. Okay. Number is denoted by, so this symbol is denoted by pi. Okay. So, the golden ratio equal to golden ratio of pi. Pi equal to 1.618. 1.618. It is observed that shapes having golden ratio appear beautiful. Okay. So, okay kids, thank you. See you next class.